This is a special SDP that takes care of your face, your eyes, your facial muscles, and everything on your face. You know, face is the front side of your skull, right? So to take care of your eyes, your facial muscles, relax your facial muscles with this special face massage routine every day. There is a special way of doing it. You start from the eyebrow. You start from the eyebrow and you start with both your index fingers starting from the forehead and bringing it down. So first you do start from the forehead. Use your index finger, your left and right index finger, and start with first placing it on your eyebrows like this, and you go like this, and you end it like this, right below the eyes. The second one, half an inch above the starting point of the previous one, and you press along the parallel line and bring it below the first point, and then half an inch above that and bring it below and touch the tips, not the tip of the sides of your nose. And then you go a bit above that, like half an inch above that, move your index finger along those lines on your face, gently pressing the skin and ending it at certain point. And then the final one is along, start from the hairline and bring it towards downwards towards your temples and then to the tip of your chin. So the massage starts from the eyebrows, half an inch above that, half an inch above that, half an inch above that, and half an inch above that. So it is like a 5-step massage for your face. This routine is to be done at the end of the day before you go to bed for your tired and weary eyes, for improving the power of your eyes. If you do this massage, SDP face care massage daily, and take care of your face and facial muscles. Take care of your facial muscles. Practice your SDPs and stay healthy.